2004 Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird has been an icon in the Ford Motor Company since the 1960s. It was reintroduced in the late 80s as a more mature option than the Ford Mustang. With its sporty, flowing coupe body style, reasonable backseat space, and moderate price range, the Thunderbird is for car enthusiasts and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, power mirrors, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.